Two smart doorbells, two different strengths. Which one fits your home best? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're comparing the Ring Video Doorbell Wired and the Lorex 1080p Video Doorbell to see which one offers better smart home security. From video quality to smart features and performance, we'll break down the key differences to help you choose the right one. Let's dive in. Comparative analysis. Talking about the build quality, the Ring Video Doorbell Wired features a compact, lightweight plastic housing designed for simple wired installation and daily outdoor use, while the Lorex 1080p Video Doorbell comes with a more rugged, weather-resistant build that is slightly bulkier and designed for local security-focused setups. The Ring Video Doorbell Wired records crisp 1080p HD video with a tall head-to-toe field of view optimized for seeing visitors and packages clearly, while the Lorex 1080p Video Doorbell also delivers 1080p resolution with a wide-angle lens focused on broader porch coverage and more traditional security monitoring. The Ring Doorbell offers motion detection alerts, customizable zones, and deep integration with the Ring app ecosystem, while the Lorex Doorbell emphasizes local recording via micro SD/NVR support, person detection, and reduced dependency on cloud subscriptions. The Ring Video Doorbell Wired requires a hardwired connection and does not include battery operation, while the Lorex 1080p Video Doorbell is also typically requires a hardwired connection, but is more flexible in integrating with existing Lorex wired security systems. The Ring Video Doorbell Wired was launched in April 2021 with an introductory price of around $59.99 USD, making it one of the more affordable smart doorbell options in the Ring lineup. On the other hand, the Lorex 1080p Video Doorbell was released in June 2020, with a price range of approximately $99 to $129 US, depending on the bundle and storage configuration chosen. The Ring Video Doorbell Wired is ideal for users who want an affordable smart doorbell with easy app control, cloud storage features, and strong smart home integration. Meanwhile, the Lorex 1080p Video Doorbell is better for users who prefer local recording, no required monthly subscription, and tighter integration with a complete home security system. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.